So I've just explained what Amazon advertising is. Now I'm going to talk about how it works. And basically, there's a bunch of steps involved. You access Amazon advertising through KDP, Amazon Advantage, Seller Central, or Vendor Central. You choose the book or the product that you want to advertise. You select how they're targeted. So that might be via keywords or competing products or even automatic targeting. If you are using a manual campaign, that is, you're supplying the keywords, you have to use the Amazon Search Console or some other tool like Ubersuggest to find keywords that you can use. I usually keep mine in an Excel spreadsheet. You upload additional assets, which might be a tagline. You enter your bids and budget, and then you enter the timing details. Those are the basic elements that Amazon is looking for. And, if you're accessing Amazon advertising via KDP, it looks something like this. So these are the books that my company sells, and there's a button in Amazon KDP that says Promote and Advertise. You can click on that to get started. There's another way to do it is via the Marketing tab, Run an Ad Campaign. It actually looks a little bit different right now, and let's take a look at that. So this, by the way, is the Amazon Advertising Console. If you're running lots of campaigns like I am, this is what you'll see once you log in. But in order to get to it from Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, this is the logged in view of Amazon KDP. Click on Marketing, and then there's Amazon Ads. Note that you have to choose a marketplace. What they're talking about is Amazon.com versus the foreign versions of Amazon, which have separate areas for making advertisements. I hope this video helped you a lot. If it did, please consider liking it and sharing it with other people. And also, there are many more videos in the totally free Amazon Masterclass. Hope to see you soon.